2019 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Got a nice lift kit on it. Still got less than 12,000 miles on it. Factory converters. Wise into a single. Got a flex pipe on it. 3-inch pipe. We continued that 3-inch all the way back. We did a muffler delete on it. Right there. Took both flaps out. There's the muffler. You always want to take the flaps out. Gives a little bit better sound. Then it comes factory dual, and it's got these sound dampers, I guess they call them, on each side. They take the place of the resonators. That's what they look like right there. If you want it louder, you always take those off, but he doesn't want it too loud. Just give it a nice deep tone. There's the muffler delete right there. There's the original muffler, and it has a flap on it. You see the flap? There's a flap in there. We always cut it off. Gives a little bit more noise. It's a SLE edition with a muffler delete. Better? You want more? We gotta take those sound dampers off, the 3 on each side. They're like resonators basically. Again? It's pretty loud. You gotta remember, it's sitting still. Give it gas. It reached 100 in sound decibels. Go ahead. Ride it for a week, see how you like it. If you want it louder, you can always come back, which we cut those out too. But I always have people drive it first. Get line 2. Go ahead. GMC Sierra. It's got a nice lift kit from Brian's Motorsports. Shout out to them. Let you guys hear on the inside.